Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to do, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to give you enough information to help get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job. Now, I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that this might be something that you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on Montana. Montana was the 41st state to join the Union on November 8, 1889. The original governor was a guy named Joseph Toole. Now, today we know that the capital is Helena. However, that wasn't always the case. Originally, the state capital was a town called Bannock. The state flag consists of a blue background with a state seal in the very center. The state bird is the western meadowlark. The state tree is the ponderosa pine. The state flower is bitterroot. And the state nickname is the treasure state. The state motto is really cool. It's called Oro y Plata, which is Spanish for gold and silver, which is an homage for when mining ruled Montana. Pretty cool. Now, hopefully this is enough information to help get you the ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, do a great job on this project. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.